I can guarantee that you're making 6 mistakes that are going to ruin your 2026 and many other years beyond that. However, you might be wondering if this particular seminar is right for you, and it's a good question. You're going to be investing 100 Rand to come and join live, and you want to know, am I going to get something out of this that's worth it? Well, let's check. If you had New Year's resolutions that didn't fully happen, there's a reason for that. If you had vision boards that didn't materialize, there's a reason for that. If you had purposes, goals, and you wrote them down, and you had dreams, and somehow you didn't fulfill them, there's a reason for that. And that reason comes down to 6 main mistakes that you make again and again, and you're not aware that you're making them. And because of that, you end up in a situation where you're disappointed and not achieving what you could achieve. In this seminar, that's usually 2,000 Rand for this amount of time and being in person, but we've made it 100 Rand live and only about 300 or 400 Rand online. It's the best money you'll ever spend. Why? Because number one, you'll solve that problem. And number two, if you don't, you have 100% money back guarantee. So you can just at the end of it say, guys, I didn't like it, and we'll just refund you in cash. You have no risk. But if you do invest in yourself, you might just get the answers that you've been looking for so that you can step into a new year actually on the right path and achieve those dreams. And believe me, if you can do even half of what I'm saying you'll get from this, it'll be worth much, much more than the ticket price, and you'll be thanking me all year long. So I'll see you there December the 5th, live in Cape Town at Workshop 17 at the V&A Waterfront, and I cannot wait to see you there investing in yourself and actually going about this new year in the most prosperous way. See you soon.